I'm Jo from E&S Computers, and here is your Tuesday tip. So, are you tired of receiving junk emails, and do you find yourself clicking the unsubscribe button every time you get one of those annoying emails? Well, I'm here to tell you that you should think twice before unsubscribing from these emails. You see, when you unsubscribe from these emails, you're actually confirming that your email address is valid and active. This is like a signal to the sender that you are a real person who checks their email regularly. And what happens next? You guessed it, you'll start receiving even more junk emails. So instead of unsubscribing from these emails, you should simply mark them as spam or junk. This will help train your email provider to recognize these types of emails as spam and prevent them from landing in your inbox in the future. I know it can be frustrating to receive these emails, but by unsubscribing, you're only making things worse for yourself. So the next time you receive a junk email, resist the urge to click the unsubscribe button and mark it as spam instead. Thanks for listening to E&S Computers Tuesday tip. Please like and subscribe, and there'll be another one next week. Thanks. Bye.